Hi ABSS users. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to successfully install ABSS Accounting Connect and ABSS Premier Connect on your computer. Just follow the instructions closely to ensure a smooth and hassle-free installation process. First, locate the ABSS application file that you've downloaded. Right-click on the application icon and select Run as Administrator from the context menu. This will launch the ABSS Connect Setup Wizard. Click Yes to allow this app to make changes to your device. When the Setup Wizard appears, click Next to proceed. You'll be prompted to review the license agreement. If you agree to the terms, select I accept the terms in the license agreement, then click Next again to continue. For most users, selecting Typical as the setup type is recommended. This option will automatically allocate a standard installation folder for the software. Click Next to confirm your selection. Finally, click Install to begin installing the ABSS Connect product. Please be patient during this stage, as the installation may take a few moments to complete. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to exit the Setup Wizard and finalize the process. After completing the installation, refresh your desktop. You should now see the ABSS Accounting Connect and ABSS Premier Connect icons on your desktop. Simply click on the relevant icon to launch the application and start using the product. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has helped you with clear, step-by-step instructions on how to install ABSS Accounting Connect and ABSS Premier Connect on your computer.